Are you looking for the best drywall cutout tool in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best drywall cutout tool that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Cutout Tool. Our top pick of the best drywall cutout tool around is the DeWalt 20V Max Drywall Cutout Tool, which boasts an impressive 26,000 revolutions per minute motor and convenient tool-free bit change to ensure easy, hassle-free operation. The slim design is easy to handle and also won't take up too much space in your toolbox, while the dust-sealed switch protects the parts and keeps it working in top condition. Also included is an LED light for work in low-light situations, and the cordless design gives you excellent mobility in tight spots. You'll need to buy the battery and charger separately, but once you've got these, it's an excellent DIY gift for amateurs and modest professionals alike. Up next in the 4th place is the Milwaukee Bare Tool M1212V Rotary Tool. The remarkable, reliable, and durable Milwaukee Bare Tool M1212V Rotary Tool is a fantastic and versatile option for more than just a cutout tool. It's easy to use with a powerful motor and a variable speed as fast as 32,000 revolutions per minute, making it one of the most powerful cordless options around for optimal control regardless of what you need it for. The compact design also ensures it's lightweight enough to handle with total ease, while the cordless design again guarantees spectacular maneuverability. Perfect for ambitious hobbyists, but still with enough customization options to appeal to most professionals, whether they work with drywall or not. For more cordless tools, check out our reviews of the best cordless impact wrenches. The 3rd product on our list is the RotoZip 5.5 amp high-speed spiral saw system. With both drywall and multipurpose bits, the RotoZip 5.5 amp high-speed spiral saw system is an excellent choice for those looking for a plasterboard cutter that goes a step beyond the expected demands. At 30,000 revolutions per minute, you're guaranteed superb power and reliability, and the Magna Core motor, aside from sounding cool, is one of the most reliable around. The dual grip zones make it comfortable to hold and reduces the risk of fatigue to give you greater control and precision. And there are also exhaust vents to help minimize blockage and jamming. If you've never used a spiral saw before, this is a great place to start thanks to intuitive controls and easy first-time use to get the results you need. If you are on the hunt for more power tools that will make your job easier, check out our top picks of the best heat guns. Second on our list is the Makita 18V LXT Lithium Ion Cordless Drywall Cutout Tool. For professionals and hobbyists who want the best of the best, the Makita 18V LXT Lithium Ion Cordless Cutout Tool is the most comprehensive you'll come across. It may not boast the power of others, although 30,000 revolutions per minute is close enough, but with a plethora of other features, you'll still get a lot from it. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even with the battery installed, and the tool-less depth adjustment is convenient and speeds up your day, while the shaft lock button and overload protection keep you and the tool safe. It's suitable for both 1/4 and 1/8 sized bits, too, giving you fantastic versatility. Our guide to the best track saws features more amazing cutting tools you will like. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi 1+ 18V Cordless Drywall Cutout Tool. As for the best value drywall hole cutter around, the Ryobi 1+ 18V Cordless Speed Saw Rotary Cutter is a simple, easy-to-use option for hobbyists and beginners to dip their toes in. At 27,000 revolutions per minute, it's not the most powerful, but this allows you to get to grips with how the tool works before graduating to stronger stuff. The durable design ensures long life, while its accurate operation guarantees satisfying results. You'll also love how it accepts both 1/8 and 1/4 inch bits to maximize your project's potential. The cordless design means you'll need to invest in a battery, but for such a great price, it's a small sacrifice. For more awesome tools to add to your collection, check out our guide to the best framing nailers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.